We got another fun collaboration that was sent to the Fun with Cars 716 channel. All right, let's get it open and see what they sent us. This looks fun. There's a battery warning sticker on there, so you know it's good. Wow, did I get two presents? Let's take a look at this. A video smart door lock. Look at this. This is all right, let's get the box open. Hopefully it's not too windy outside. Whoa, we don't want that to fly away. All right, we got instructions. Looks like a template. And there's some measurements. That looks like it's metric, millimeters, not... Oh, is there American size right here? 2 1/8. Look at that. SAE, as they say. Here is the user manual. Video Smart Door Lock. We're going to use the English. Ooh, that actually kind of smells nice. I don't know what it's made out of. Here's another template and a sensor diagram. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's packaged very well. Oh, yeah, look at that. That connector is just like a GPS connector, actually. It's got its very own battery that comes with it. Wonder if that goes on the inside. There's a USB charger cord. Here's the inside of the lock. So you can lock and unlock. Even comes with a set of keys. Ooh, there's a card too. You put that right on your keychain, maybe it automatically swipes. Maybe these are guest cards. Think that's gonna get me some more car parts if I swipe this at the register? Probably not. Here's the deadbolt part of it. So now we're gonna get to installing this MD2 smart lock system. It looks like it should be fairly easy. This is the MD2 video smart door lock system. The first part we're gonna need, we're just gonna get it out of the box like that. So we're gonna get it in our door just like this, and the slot to the top, and this goes in like that. Okay, we got to lengthen ours to the 70 mark. I think that's what it is. So you rotate it so that the locks disengage, and that lengthen, twist it. It allows you to pull it out and then lock it in place. That's the dimension we need. Now you can see that's right in the center of the hole, and I'll show you how we'll screw it into place. Now we can put our 2 screws in. Number 2, and it's that simple. Now it's in place. All right, it even comes with its own memory card. That must be, now if you push it, it comes out, but we're putting it back in because we're not touching that. It comes with it. So this comes in from the outside. So I'm gonna go on the outside and push this through. Okay, sending it through. Okay, we made a small adjustment. I moved it over just a little bit, so it should fit through here now. There, we'll try that. On my application, I had to notch out the trim a little bit just to get that plate to fit in nice. All right, so this plate, we're going to take this 2-sided tape off because that is going to stick to the door itself. And once we get that off, we have that rubber gasket with the tab sticking through. And now we can put everything through the slot here. And then it will stick to the door and hold in place, hopefully, if we did it right. So that goes through that slot there. This comes through here like this, so. And then when we get this through here, that gasket should line up just fine. Okay, we put that plate on there. The 2-sided tape sticks it to the door. The rubber gasket's in place, and our wires are sticking through. Now we can see which one of the screws. There's 2 sets of screws that come with it. There's a long and a short. I believe we're going to need the long screw. There's a long and a short screw. I think we're going to need the long screws in order for this to make contact. Okay, for my application, I had to use the long screws. I already got one in, and we'll get this one started. And then we tighten these down so they're snug and the gasket holds. Now that's good to go. All right, the Wi-Fi antenna is this wire right here, and that plugs in down here. So that plugs in there, and then this connection plugs in right here. Goes just like that, and that plugs in there. Now it's unlocked, so we're going to put it in the unlock position, and that will engage this tab right here. And when we engage that tab with this here, then you can see the deadbolt coming out, and that's why you know it's right. Hear the motor too? All right. Now we'll put in, there's 3 screws that go up here. 1, 2, 3. We'll put those in now. There's small screws, pan head I think they're called. They go right in here. We'll get those put into place. Yeah, putting the last one in, so now that's all set. And this is snug. Tighten this up, and then now we can see if the door lock latches. All right, now close it, and the lock will lock by manual locking. The lock will lock. Now let's get the rest of it hooked up. Now we'll charge this battery till that red light goes out before we install it. Okay, it's fully charged. The light is green. We'll plug the battery in. It goes right in here, and then we'll put the cover on. Battery fits in just like that. Okay, we got the magnet positioning placard on there, so we got to put this magnet right in here. Okay, now that magnet is in place. I love this thing. It even sometimes talks to me. I press this button,
unlocked,
and it tells me it's unlocked. So besides the keypad, and it's got a camera, and hooking it to your Wi-Fi, you got all those features. It's got cards that will unlock, just like this, by holding it up to the
unlocked,
and then it talks to you, and now the door is open. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll put a link in the comment section and the description of this video where you can get your very own smart lock. Thanks for watching.